see what this bad boy is. Doesn't seem too big. That's an eater. I think so. This is really deep water, you know. This one's better. This might be a giant, actually. Yeah. Feels really good. Oh my goodness.
Your first one was bigger.
Was it? Wow. Look how fat. It's a good crappie. Fortunately, that one's coming home with me. I should honestly put the truck like right here behind me. Yeah. This one's even bigger, I think. Look at this thing. That'll work. I'm just jigging it above everything. Dang, perfect. Yeah, you just got to keep jigging it or pulling it away from them. Not a bad one. Looks like they're just in huge schools this morning. So. Oh. Yeah, this is a good one, whatever it is. I don't know. It's got to be. It's got to be a bass. Straight up dogging me. Oh man. Look at these head shakes. Watch this. Yeah. Oh, look at this smallie. Oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. That's a nice smallie. All right, what a start to the morning. We got a couple big crappies and now the target species. I think it's because it's the early morning, all of these little crappies, bluegills and everything are off of all the structure trying to search for some bait fish, but no, these big boys are coming after those bluegills and crappies. So hopefully we can get into some more of these. We'll put up some finicky foolers and whatnot, but we'll get a release on this bad boy. But holy man, what a great smallmouth to start the morning. Holy. Stop spinning. This rock bass is not happy.
Doesn't like your camera?
No. Look at all those fish.
Wow.
That rock bass. Yeah, there's another nice bluegill there. Right.
Boy, when
there.
they turn on and want to bite.
But these are all little guys.
Yeah.
If we bring it up a little bit, they're still loaded up in there. But yeah, I think we should go down that way more, or we could check that way. I haven't gone any farther. Look at all those bass.
They're all behind you again.
Yeah, they're right on this edge.
Yeah. Does this drill a bunch of zigzag holes along this edge, you think?
Yeah, look at all those.
Those are out that way.
Yeah, they're right here. That's so many. This is a tree though.
Yeah.
So, yeah, look at that chungus. Oh.
Drill a
Yeah.
bunch of holes on this line?
I'll just, yeah.
Zigzag?
Yeah. This is a big boy. Big boy. Oh yeah. No. Oh, it was huge. Oh. He's there.
Not digging yet. Got some weight to it though. Thumping.
He needs it.
Ooh, water's coming up.
Big one?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
That'll work.
That'll work.
That'll do, pig. I'm saying that's 16, 17.
Yeah, cold, get him in quick. Oh yeah, he's long. Not real fat, but he's long.
Awesome. That's what we came here for.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
You're gonna hate me. Oh yeah, it's coming flying up. Watch this. Watch the rod. Do you want to pull that out of there?
Let me just help you, Captain.
Hey, thank you. Feels like a good one, actually. It's the bait. I'm telling you.
I have to borrow one. Jeez, I've been fishing in this hole for 10 minutes. So my bait isn't that much different than yours.
No.
So,
Not a bad one.
no.
Red eyes. See ya. This one almost took the rod in. I don't know why it was frozen. I deserve that one. Hey, the spoon did it. Yeah, the spoon did it. Another not bad one. Must be the dangle, huh? Must just be the dangle.
What'd you catch?
Oh, a smallmouth.
A little one?
Yeah. Nothing big. Oh, look at this. John, you got a flag too. And I got one. Oh, what a fish. He's angry. That's another nice one. Look at the colors. Dang. I should have taken the thing over there. Oh yeah. All right, we got one here. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah, he's peeling. Feels really good. Oh yeah. Oh. Now that's a nice smallie. Get him back. It's cold out. See ya.
Bounced it too. You don't got off and it bounced.
No way. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just like I got your one.
Ah.
What are you doing with them? That's right.
I'm not sure. I think so. Yeah, it's a smallie. Not a big one, but not a bad one, but look at the colors on that bad boy. Thanks for playing, buddy. All right, so I think that's gonna call it for today. So I was out with a good buddy, John, and we're chasing after smallmouth for the last couple hours. The bite pretty much shut down. It's about midday, so we're gonna pack it up, head out, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much.